Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Taha and my ID is 16392. Today my topic is Hadith. So, Hadith number 1, sincere goodwill. Tamim ad-Dari reported the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Inna ad-dayna nasihatu. Verily, the religion is sincerity. Hadith 2, mending your own business. Ali ibn Hussein reported the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, Inna min husni Islamil mur'i tarkuhu ma la yu'nihi. Verily, from the perfection of Islam is that a person leaves what does not concern him. So, next hadith is love your brother. Anas ibn Malik reported the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, La yu'minu ahadukum hatta yuhibba laqihi ma yuhibbu li nafsihi. None of you has faith until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. Next hadith is be in the world as a stranger. Abdullah ibn Umar reported the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, took hold of my shoulder and said, Kun fid dunya ka'annaka garibu au abiru sabil. Be in the world as though you were a stranger or a traveler along a path. Next hadith, do not get angry. Abu Huraira reported a man to said the Prophet advised me, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, La tughzabu, do not become angry. The man repeated his request and the Prophet